Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to tell you about Python string capitalize method. So what is the definition of this? The capitalize method returns a string where the first character is uppercase. So now let's see the syntax. For syntax, I will write string dot capitalize where the string is any text written inside double inverted commas. Or you can also write variable dot capitalize. So here variable is any normal variable in which your value is stored. So this is an example of variable a, b and c in which your text is being stored. So for example, here if I take an example of doing uppercase the first letter in this sentence. So what is the sentence? Hello and welcome to my animated world. So hello, comma, and welcome to my animated world is a text which is going to be stored in the variable where. So now for capitalizing this h, hello. So I want to capitalize this h in hello. So I will write a is equal to where dot capitalize. So my output is going to be stored in my new variable a. So now if I write print and if I call the variable a in which my output is being stored, the output will be like hello, comma, and welcome to my animated world. But you can see that the letter hello, the word hello, in which h is now capital and previously it was small. So with the help of capitalize method, you can capitalize any first letter in the sentence. So you can see that here h is being capitalized and is now in uppercase. So to see the example, you can write a is equal to hello, hell hello, or I can write anything goes here. So I will write x is equal to a dot capitalize, okay, and I will write print and I will call the variable x. So what is happening here? Due to this capitalize method, this first letter is turned into capital form or in uppercase. You can see that in live. So if I run this program, you can see the output. Anything goes here and a is capital here and which is small here. So you can see that the first letter is being capitalized. Now in this, if you want to take user input, you simply write input in brackets. I will give a sentence like enter anything. So if I run this program now, it will now ask me to enter anything. I will write I am going to eat ice cream. If I put enter, it will capitalize my first letter. So here my small I has become capital I. So due to this capitalize method, this small I has become this capital I. So thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Jai Hind.